Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to show you the apps real quick on my phone, how I can control the heat pump from any location, and I can also control all the fan coils. So on my phone, I'm going to show you the apps. So right now we have two apps on here. Well, first we're going to go to the fan coils, and we'll show you all the different fan coils and actually the in-floor heat. So right now I have 5 things on cooling mode. Each one of them I can control, and I have the 3 that are in the in-floor heat. So those ones are currently in off stage. So if I wanted to click on one of these, I could increase or decrease my heat or cool, and they would automatically update through Wi-Fi. So the other is the actual heat pump. So if I wanted to access the heat pump, I could open it up, and then it currently tells me what my in and out temperature are. So since it's in cool mode, the temperatures are low. So I could go to settings, and I can control anything I wanted to do from our settings, all the way up and down, from turning the pump on automatic to turning the pump on all the time, so on, depending on your cooling or heating needs.